I'm going to be having, so in this video, I'm going to be having one side of the video being the army piece at the Uncharted Island, and the other one is the one at Forest Develops. Okay, so I'm hoping we're gonna get the last pieces of the Polyquest Golden Armor from Spencer into Utopia. So far I've already gotten like all but 2. But yeah, I'll show you where to get them later after I get these last 2. So the next one I'm gonna get is in it's in Forest Develops, and you have to go fishing here. Num num num. What is that? It's the order of the one each thing song. Triggered. Oh, I'm gonna pull weeds. No, I don't like work. Bye. Screw you, no work. Okay, what the frick? What? Oh, it's a tree. Okay, so yeah, let's go get the. So this is Brennan's. Yeah, so let's go get the helmet. I think it's the helmet. No, wait, no, it's the sinister boot. Okay, so you have to go here, you know, through that little hole area. It's also the area that this girl that Izar's trees is. Okay. So now we just fish until we get it. Electric eel, no. And also we need a tip for fishing. So there's areas that have like little fish drawings in it. Those, you have to like move your thing over to those, and then that's where you get the fish. Come on, I need the sinister boot. Come on, don't be a lazy butt. Why? Seriously, give me a boot. It's garbage. Okay, triggering. Ah! Give me the boot. Trigger. Hold on. All I want's the boat. Okay. Come on. Sometimes it takes forever. Others, you can even get it on first try sometimes. Oh, it's just not doing that. Come on. Sometimes I make my leg twitch and it's like weird. Triggered. Come on. Maybe I have to do it in the other area, like a small pond area. Like right here. Probably over here. Come on. You need to skip until I get it. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna skip until I get it. So I'm gonna try and see if I have to do this because I couldn't find it. So I forgot what I did to get it. And almost all the other ones were mining. I mean digging.
Do these small batteries work?
Okay, I have just gotten it. As you can see. So it turns out it was fishing, and you had to fish in the area with the tree robot the fried robot that thinks he's a tree. And you can see I just got it. Right full, and then here's sinister. Yeah, and so yeah, just one more. That one you get in that one. What is it? The helm? Is it the helm? Yeah, I think yeah, it's the helm. I think you get it at the Uncharted Island, the dinosaur island, by either fishing or digging. Can I try it again? I mean, complete. No? Once again, I'll come back.